9:24, and this is Positively Jax. A local 11-year-old battling an uncurable disease gets a life-altering gift from a local company.
This week, Bold City Heating and Air did a complete duct cleaning for Cammie and her family. The owners of Bold City found out about Cammie and her struggles with cystic fibrosis through the Dreams Come True charity. The 11-year-old often faces breathing difficulties because of CF, and that's why this cleaning is so crucial for them.
Absolutely. Cammie was diagnosed when she was just 5 months old. At one point, this little girl was taking up to 25 pills a day. Her parents say that this gift is going to make a huge difference for her. It's going to help them all breathe a little bit easier as well. And, you know, that's, I mean, honestly, this is very common in many homes. So, but it's also a little bit expensive to have it done, so to have that done for free makes a huge difference.
And you know what? That is not the first time that I've seen Bold City Heating and Air come forward and help people out. You know,
awesome.
They've been doing this for years, and oftentimes they do it silently without getting any recognition for it.
And we both know the owner very well, and you know, it's no surprise to us because he has such a huge heart, but it's great to see that they reach out to these charities and ask, you know, what can we do for the kids there to help them? It's awesome.
Great stuff.